everyone, welcome to channel Knowledge for Free. Subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon for the latest update. Today we're going to start discussing about your chemistry class. This is your class 19. We had done your 18th class of the session in the last classes. So today we continue with the same. In the 19th class we will start discussing about your 9th intake question that we have done your 8th intake question in the last classes. Today we're going to start with the same. So stay tuned with us and please like, share and subscribe so that many and maximum people can get the information at once, and with you can also enjoy the video as well. So here it is, 9th question. This is your class 19, which is your chapter unit 10, that is haloalkanes and haloarenes. So here we go. Identify A, B, C, D, E, R and R dash in the following. First we'll talk about the reaction. Br plus Mg, the presence of triether will give A, the presence of H2O will give B. So here for that same, as you can see, you have to find out the product A and the product B. When this react with Br plus Mg, so it will form benzene MgBr. A is your benzene MgBr, and the B, that what we will get is your benzene. So let's go. A is your MgBr and the B equals to talk about the next one. And that we have as follows. This is another equation. We get it. R Br plus Mg in the presence of triether. This is C, D2O, we will give CH3, CH, CH3, that is D. So you have to find C and D here. And C product we have. If this has been reacting, so C is your R, MgBr, and the other is your, this is your R. Let's go for the same. C is R, MgBr, which this equation will be further opening it out. Okay, the R is CH3, CH, CH3. Okay, now R dash, we're going to find it out, and we have an equation here which is CH3, 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 CH3. This will report back in the presence of Na and ether. R dash X, Mg, this is D, in the presence of H2O, it will give A. So for that we have R dash H3C, carbon CH3, CH3, D equals to CH3, 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 MgX, and E equals to CH3 carbon and this is carbon CH3. Okay, now we go for the next one, which is the another important one, as your seventh one, which is polyhalogen compounds, and that what we have discussed here as well. So here for that, in polyhalogen compound, first we discuss about it. In polyhalogen compounds, carbon compounds containing more than one halogen atom are usually referred to as polyhalogen compounds. Many of these compounds are useful in industries and agriculture. Some polyhalogen compounds are described in this section that we will discuss here. So just we write it down. If you are making notes, it will be easy for you to make it out. So carbon compounds containing more than one halogen atom are usually referred to as polyhalogen compounds. So first we have is dichloromethane, which is methylene chloride. Which is known as methylene chloride. So dichloromethane, which is methylene chloride. Dichloromethane is widely used as a solvent, as a paint remover and propellant in aerosol, and the process of solvent in the manufacture dries. It is also used as metal cleaning and finishing solvent. Methylene chloride harms the human central nervous system. Exposure to lower level of methylene chloride in air that can lead to a slightly impaired dizziness, nausea, and your tingling and numbness in the fingers and toes. And humans, direct skin contact with methylene chloride cause intense burning and mild redness of the skin. Direct contact with the eyes can burn the cornea. This is very harmful. So let's just write it down some of the things. Dichloromethane is widely used as solvent, as a paint remover, as propellant in aerosols, and as a process of solvent in the manufacture of drugs. Now we go for the next one, that is the second one, is trichloromethane, which is क्लोरोफॉर्म. ये आपने सुना होगा. Which is known as chloroform. here the chemically chloroform is employed as a solvent for fats and alkaloids, iodine and other substances. The major use of chloroform today is the production of freon refrigerators, and that is your refrigerant we have. Okay, now for that we'll go for the next. In the refrigerator, the major use of chloroform today is the production of the freon refrigerant R22. It was once used in general anesthetic in surgery but has been replaced by less toxic, safer anesthetics such as echo, but might have expected from it used an anesthetic. Inhaling chloroform vapors and depresses the central nervous system. Breathing about 900 parts of chloroform per million parts of air, 900 parts per million for a short time, can cause dizziness, fatigue and headache. Chronic chloroform exposure may cause damage to the liver, where chloroform is metabolized to the phosgene and to its kidney, and some people develop sores when the skin is immersed chloroform. Chloroform is slowly oxidized by air in the presence of light at an extremely poisonous gas, carbonyl chloride, and also known as your phosgene, and it is therefore stored in the closed dark colored booth completely filled so that the air is kept out. Just write it down. Chloroform is employed as a solvent for fats, iodide and iodine and other substance. The major use of chloroform in the production of the freon refrigerant R22. Now for chloroform is slowly why CH3Cl is kept in a dark color bottle and completely filled, that can be asked of course in the question, so you can just answer it out accordingly. That is, chloroform is slowly oxidized. This is can be in the form of question as well, so you just write it down. Chloroform is slowly oxidized by air in the presence of light. To an extremely poisonous gas. Carbonyl chloride, also known as phosgene. It is therefore stored in closed dark colored completely filled. For that, air is kept out. So we'll go for the reaction here. Reaction is 2CHCl3 plus O2 in the presence of light. It will give 2COCl2, that is for G, plus 2HCl. Let's go for the same. This is first one. So let's go for the next one. Which is the third one, is triiodomethane, which is called iodophone. That is the third one. So here it was used earlier as an antiseptic, but the antiseptic properties due to the liberation of free iodine and not due to the iodophone itself, by its objectionable smell, it has been replaced by other formulated containing iodine. So that is the another one. It was used earlier as an antiseptic, but the antiseptic properties for properties due to liberation of free iodine and not due to iodophone itself, to its objectionable smell, it has been replaced by other formulated containing iodine. Now we talk about for the next one, which is the tetrachloromethane, that is carbon tetrachloride, which is the another one. So here we go for the same. Fourth one, tetrachloromethane, carbon tetrachloride. So the fourth one we have here, tetrachloromethane, carbon tetrachloride. So for that same, it is produced in large quantities for use in the manufacture of refrigerant and propellants for the aerosol cane. It can use feedstock in the synthesis of chlorofluorocarbon and other chemical, pharmaceutical, manufacturing and general solvent use. Until the 1960s, it was also widely used as cleaning fluid both in the industry as in degreasing agent, and in the home as a spot remover and as an extinguisher. There is some evidence that exposure that can the carbon tetrachloride cause liver cancers in humans, and most common effects are your dizziness, light headache, nausea, and vomiting, which can permanent damage to the nerve system. In severe cases, these effects that can lead rapidly to stupor, coma, and unconsciousness or death. Exposure to CCl4 can make the heartbeat irregular or stop. The chemical may irritate the eyes on contact. When carbon tetrachloride is released into the air, it rises in the atmosphere and affects the ozone layer, and depletions of the ozone layer is believed to increase human exposure to ultraviolet rays, leading to the increased skin cancer, eye diseases and disorder, and possible disruptions of the immune system. So we'll go for the same sum of it. And propellants or aerosol cans. Now we talk about the freons. That is the fifth one. So here we go for the same. That is your freons. That is the freons, and that is freons is the chlorofluorocarbon compound of methane and ethane that are collectively known as freons here. That they are extremely stable, unreactive, and non-toxic, non-corrosive, and easily liquefiable gas. Freon 12 CCl4F2 is one of the most common freons in the industrial use, and what the same, and it is manufactured from tetrachloromethane by Swartz reaction. These are usually produced for aerosol, propellant, refrigerations, and air conditioning purposes. By 1974, total freon production in the world was about 2 billion pounds annually. Most freons, even that is used in refrigerations, eventually makes its way into the atmosphere, where it diffuses the unchanged into the stratospheres. In stratospheres, freon is able to initiate a radical chain chain, and that the reaction that can upset the natural ozone balance, that what we'll be discussing in the next coming unit of class 12. Now for the same we go for it here. So freons के बारे में थोड़ा सा लिख लेते हैं. If you are making notes, it will be helpful for you as well. So fifth one is freons. So here we go for freons. Then after that we'll discuss the next and the next class for sure, because it will take it up more. Compounds of methane and methane are collectively known as freons. They are extremely stable, unreactive, non-toxic, and non-corrosive, and usually liquefied. Freons 12 is your CCl2F2, one of the common freon in the industry is used. So now we're gonna end up with discuss the rest in the next time class. So thank you. Hope you enjoy this video. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and give a suggestion on the comment box. Please like, share and subscribe so that many and maximum people can get the information at once, and even you can also enjoy the video as well. In the next coming class, we'll discuss about the 20th topic class of the session. We'll be ending it up with this unit as well. So thank you. Hope you enjoy this video. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and give your suggestion on a comment box. Thank you.